how could I try and get some other money involved in this? So what I did was the person who was doing these webinars would always share the invite list. Oh, here's a list of everyone attended. So what I did is I took that list and just sent out an email to people and said, hey, look, this is not as passive as you think, but if you want to be passive, hey, I'm interested in doing a joint venture deal with you. And most JV deals, it's 50-50 split. I'll give you 60% on the deal. And I had probably 10 people out of like 100 people who were on reached out to me and say, yeah, I don't have the time for this. I'm definitely interested. Let's talk. And then I probably picked up like 5 JV deals right off the bat of
they put all the money. They put the money in. You did all the work.
I did all the work, and I gave them 60% of the profit versus most people do 50-50. So I'm thinking, and this is another tidbit for people, when you're just getting started, if everybody's given 50-50 and somebody's done 100 deals and you've done 1 or 2 or 5 or 10,